Hey you all! Welcome back to my channel. This is Sagarika and I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is a really special one for me because few days ago I uploaded a reel on my Instagram account wherein I recreated one of Komal Pandey's look, and that was like a very impromptu reel. That was a very like a random reel. Okay, I was like, let me do it because I love that look of hers, and I did that, and I had no idea that Komal would post it on her story. I had no idea that I would get 185k views overnight. I literally had no idea, you guys. It just changed my life in so many ways that I can't even explain it to you right now. I mean, yeah, it was one of the most amazing moments I had in the longest time, and it's going to stay with me for lifelong. I'm never going to forget this moment of my life. And also the other day, I uploaded a story on my Instagram account asking if people would want to watch like a tutorial thing on that look, and a lot of you agreed. So this is the reason I'm making this video. I initially thought to upload an IGTV, but then I realized that I'm very inactive here, and that's the reason I'm uploading it here. And also because I really wanted to share this entire experience of my mind with you guys. So yeah, and this video is on that note, and the orientation might be a little problem here on, because yeah, initially I shot it for like IGTV, so it was of the portrait form, but then I changed my plan suddenly. So yeah, please bear with me for today's video. I really wanted to share this entire thing with you guys, and yeah, this video is on that note. And without further ado, let's quickly jump into this video. But if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do. That would mean so much to me. And yeah, let's begin. So I'm using this primer and quickly warming it up between my fingers, and then applying it on my nose and some on my eyes, just for the eye products to stay longer. And yeah, now moving on with the Vaseline, because I did moisturize my face but I forgot to moisturize my lips. So yeah, doing that. Time to shape my brows, and I'm using this Miniso eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. Now I must also admit that my eyebrows are in such a bad shape, but trying my best to shape them. So please pardon if they look a little what do you call it, a little weird, I would say. Please pardon that. Now moving on with my foundation. Now this foundation has a very good coverage, so I usually skip the concealer, which I'm going to do today as well. Yes, I'm going to skip the concealer. So yeah, just applying it all over my face and blending it using this beauty sponge. And now it's time to set the face, and for setting the face I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. And yeah, with this I'll set my entire face, and not just my eye area but the entire face. Moving on with my contour stick, and as you can see it's blunt, so I'm using this flat brush to apply it all over my face. Now pardon me if the brush that I'm using is wrong, but this does the job for me, so yeah, using it. Time for some eyeshadow, and now I'm taking a very light pink shade to start with, and yeah, applying it all over my eyes. And now I'm taking a very dark pink shade, like the darkest pink I could get from this palette, and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes, yeah, just to give that ombre effect. And now taking the fluffy brush, I'm blending both the shadows together so that, you know, it looks put together. And now applying the dark pink shade on the lower lash line. Yeah, that's it for the eyeshadow. Moving on with my mascara, just to lift up my lashes. And time for some blush now. Using this Nykaa blush. I'm literally in love with all the Nykaa products, so I keep using them. Okay, yeah, just applying it on my cheeks, on my nose, and some on my chin. And there you go, the blush is done. Spritzing some setting spray all over my face. All the products name will be in the description box below, so do check it out. And now time for some highlighter. Yeah, applying it on my cheeks and on my nose, and some on my chin as well. Time for the final step, lipstick. Yeah, applying this Nude Nuance lipstick from the Creamy Matte range of Maybelline, and almost done. Okay, just completing the look with this lip gloss because Komal had glossy lips. So yeah, applying this lip gloss from Disney. It's literally a kid's lip gloss, but yeah, इसी से काम चलाना पड़ा मुझे. But there you go, the look is done. So yeah, I hope you all like it. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, with this I come to an end to today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, before leaving, please do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And I'll see you soon. Take care, stay safe, and lots of love to you guys. Bye.